Did you know you can reverse an entire list or string in Python using just one line of code? No loops, no complex functions, just the power of slicing. Ambitintwans. Welcome to today's Python puzzle. Slicing is a powerful technique that helps you extract, manipulate, and even reverse data with minimal code. Let's dive into this mind-bending trick. Tantuf. Imagine you want to reverse a string or extract specific parts from it. Most developers might use loops, but that can be inefficient. But with slicing, you can achieve this in a cleaner and more efficient way. Let's see how. Let's break it down. In the first line, x equals puzzling Python slice from index 3 to 8 extracts, the characters from index 3 to 7. Next, we reverse this substring using left square bracket colon colon -1 right square bracket. The -1 step tells Python to traverse backward, creating a reversed string. Here comes the magic. With just 2 lines of code, we've sliced and reversed part of the string without loops. Try this slicing trick in your own projects. Comment below with your favorite slicing hacks or watch our next video on advanced Python techniques. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips. Yortsusintur.